guys, welcome back to Ride With Me. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Prasanna and this video is the 11th episode of my epic road trip to Kartungla, the highest motorable road in the world. If you're new to my channel, do check out my previous episodes and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications on my upcoming videos. After a short break, we started to ride again from Sonama guys. We were very happy and excited because we were very confident that we'll somehow reach Leh by the end of today. The altitude started to increase and the roads were getting narrow guys. The mountains look so beautiful guys. See the different colors of mountains. First the green and then the white snow mountains. Amazing view. We did see some tourist vehicles here and there, but the traffic actually reduced to a huge extent guys. It was about 2:30 PM in the afternoon and we were enjoying the ride and the climate. With such good roads and less traffic, we actually thought we were going to reach Leh faster than we thought we could. But just as we took this turn, the journey threw us a challenge guys. Look at this guys, how huge. This is a landslide area and next few kilometers we had to ride across landslide prone mountains. The road started getting bad. Actually there were no roads at all. It looked like some mountains were carved here and there for some vehicles to go. On top of it, we had some snow melted water running on our roads, that is the mud roads. It was very dangerous guys, but we got used to the roads in a few kilometers. Bikes performed very well. But none of the vehicles could cross these routes comfortably guys. Everyone has to suffer somewhere, bike or car doesn't matter. There were crossings where bikes easily cruise through and cars struggle, and there were also places where cars easily cruise through but bikes struggle guys. Mud roads, steep fall, two-way roads, construction sites, snow melted water. And this. I don't know where they were taking their sheep guys. There was no other route or village for the next 50 kilometers for sure. Crossing this herd was the most dangerous and frightening part of the whole journey guys. Look how close I am to the edge. One animal out of the herd decides to scare me, I can't escape. We also faced some dangerous water crossings like these. We were a bit tired after riding on these bad roads and stopped for a quick break and also to ensure that if all the vehicles have crossed the water crossing safely. Did all the vehicles cross safe? Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to know, guys. I'm ending the episode here and see you in the next video.